What's up, unboxing gurus? Welcome back to the channel where we take tech to the next level. Today we are diving into the world of cinematic sound with the Tribit Soundbar S1. A beast of a sound system that promises to bring the movie theater right into your living room. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. Straight out of the box, you get the sleek 200-watt soundbar, a wired subwoofer for the punchy bass, and a handy remote control. And let's not ignore the premium build quality. This thing screams durability and style. Now let's talk about performance. With 200 watts of power and a 2.1 channel setup, the Tribit soundbar is built to blow your mind. Whether you're watching explosive action sequence or vibing to your favorite tracks, the clarity and the bass are unmatched. Because you get a 6.5-inch subwoofer that can really shake up your windows. Hear out this test. Well, here is the best part. It comes with 4 EQ modes. Music mode for rich, detailed tunes, movie mode for the immersive cinematic surround sound, news mode for crystal clear dialogues, and game mode for dynamic sound effect that makes you feel like you are in the game. Switching between modes, a piece of cake with the remote. Well, now it's time to discuss the connectivity. Well, connectivity, Tribit's got you covered. With the Bluetooth 5.3, you get a rock-solid wireless connection with zero lag. It supports HDMI ARC, aux, optical, and USB. So whether you're hooking it up to your TV, gaming console, or even your smartphone, you are sorted. Well, if you want to tweak up the sound to your liking, the bass and travel controls give you full flexibility. Crank up the bass for party vibes or tone it down for a more balanced audio experience. The choice is yours. So here is the deal. The Tribit Soundbar S1 is a powerful with its 200-watt output, versatile EQ modes, wide connectivity options, and a sleek design. It's perfect for anyone looking to level up their home audio game. Sure, the wired subwoofer might not be for everyone, and the LED display can be a bit bright in the dark, but these are minor drawbacks in an otherwise fantastic package, and for its price, absolute bang for your buck. If you're ready to transform your movie nights, gaming session, and music vibe, the Tribit Soundbar S1 is waiting for you. Links are available in the description where you can check it out. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any question or want more reviews like this. This is Unboxing Guru signing off. Stay tuned, stay unboxed.